Okay guys, so LED monitor for your Xbox Series S. Yeah, this one attached to it, so it makes it quote-unquote portable, which is interesting to me. Anyway, I got it, paid this with my own money, and this is not a sponsored video from them, by the way, so I just want to let you know that. Let's go ahead and install this thing and see how cool it is. This one is really light, by the way, compared to like if I'm holding up the Xbox, it's actually heavier than this whole box right here. Alright. Woo! Voila, voila, voila. Okay, so looks like it comes with these pieces right here where you just like attach it. Here's the screen right here. Voila. Pretty big screen actually. What is this, like a 14-15 inch? Oh, it even has integrated speakers as well. Check this out. There's speakers right here. Let's see what's in the brown box real quick. You got power cord, HDMI to HDMI, and then a remote actually. The remote. Okay. Let's go ahead and put this together and then see if we can play some games on it. So I looked at the picture, haven't read the instruction. Hopefully this is the way to go. Okay, so at least there are a lot of like little rubber pieces right here. You can see it. It's to protect your console. Now I believe I have to lock this side in right here. By the way, these little, I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but these little dot right here just goes along with all your dot that's on the side right there where your exhaust is. That looked like it fit pretty good. I believe I have to like screw these in right here. I don't like the fact that this is screwed in though, to be honest with you. I mean, I like to just remove this thing because aesthetically I want to keep my Xbox looking the way it is. And there you go, no more holes. So look down here, you can see that it's exposing all of your ports still. So you still got access to all of those on the Xbox. The only thing is that you're going to be plugging in the HDMI from here to there. That's why there's a short HDMI cord right here. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on and see how it goes, right? Alright guys, so here it is. This is a Forza 5 running on this system right here, Xbox S. Now I have to say, the screen actually looks pretty good. You can see right there. On the side right here, as I'm looking on the side, it's not one of those LCD screen where, you know, it kind of blocks your view as you're viewing on the side. It actually, I can still see it, and I can probably play with it too, actually. So let's go ahead and play with it real quick. Yeah, color looks really good. Obviously, I have a bunch of lights in here, so it might be, you know, glaring for you guys. I upped the brightness max. And so hopefully that'll also help as well. There is a volume button on here. You can actually increase the volume. Now here's the thing, I did try to use the remote. I would say that the remote is not very good. I wouldn't use it at all because for some reason it wouldn't do a lot of things that I asked it to do. So I would disregard the remote at all, but all the buttons are actually on here. So. This is pretty sweet, I have to say. I didn't expect the screen to be that good. So let's see if I can play on the side right here. A little hard to play on the side, honestly. But I want to try. Whoa. Okay, well, there you go guys. That actually looks really good right there with Forza. Yeah, the color looks really good, even in this bright lit area right here.
Sorry, I'll just be a minute. You had it. Next one comes out of your face. Stop the threat. Lock doors.
Yeah, this screen looks really good. Anyway, guys, that's it right there. That's the little LED screen for the Xbox Series S. I didn't expect a lot out of this, to be honest with you. But so far, I think it's well built. I think next version, OLED model, would be fantastic. Anyway, that's it for me right there. I'm out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.